Hey there everyone, today we will learn about control flow in JavaScript. So what is control flow in JavaScript? Control flow is the concept by which your code will decide in which direction it has to flow. For example, if you want to execute certain parts of your code only if it meets a certain condition, then you will use this concept known as control flow. So in control flow, you will mainly learn about two types of syntax. Let me first show you. Number one is if else. Number two is switch case. Oh, what has happened to my hands? Cannot type today. Switch case. And number three, we have the ternary operator. Okay, so let's first dive into if else condition. You can say this ternary and if else are pretty much similar, so I will try to show this ternary operator first before I jump into switch case. Okay, first let's learn about this if condition. So in this if condition, let's say you have an age variable var age equals to 10. Okay, and you want to execute your certain instructions only if the age meets a certain value. For example, you want to print the age with a name only if the age has a value of 18 or more. Okay, sounds good? So how do you do that? You will do like this: if age is greater than or equals to, actually I'm using a font, so that's why my equals to is coming like this. Your maybe not come like this, so don't worry about that. This is just a syntactic sugar. So if the age is 18 or more, then what will happen is var name equals avirup I'm giving this extra space. You will learn just now. Console dot log name plus age. So if the age is 18 or more, then only it will be printed like this. Okay, see, my age is only 10, so it didn't print out the age and the name. So if I make this 10 to 19, let's see what would happen. See, we got our output, which means that this block of code got executed depending on the value of this variable, because this condition is restricting the flow of code into this block. You get what I'm saying? Okay, so let's move on. Let's say you want to print the age, only age. We'll go for only age this time. Only if it has 18 and double ampersand age is less than equals to 25. Okay, then you wanna go for this part. Okay, I will just type it clg age. Okay, now I want to print the age only if it meets this condition, this one condition, and this is the second condition. Okay, if it gives out true for both these cases, let's say age is greater than equals to 18 and age is less than equals 25, only then this block of code will be executed. Let's see. So can you guess it? What will be the output of this code? Let's see. See, we got 19 printed here on the console. So what would happen if I bring this 19 down to 16? Let's see. See, we got nothing on our console, which means that this conditioning is working as expected, as we want. Now there is one more concept known as OR operator. That's more like an operator rather than a concept, but still I would like to use the word concept here. Let's comment this out. If age is greater than, greater than 18, and or we thought about OR this time, so we'll go for or age is less than equals to 25. Let's go for greater than equals to 25. Okay, and let's make this less than equals to. You will realize why I've done this one. Okay, so if age is less than equals to 18 or age greater than equals to 25, then only execute this block of code. Okay, which means that for age be 16, this part will be executed, and if the age surpasses is in the range of 18 to 25, then it will be cancelled out. Let's see. See, we got 16. If this becomes 17, it gets printed. As soon as it becomes 18, it will be printed because this is equals to in here. And if we make it 19, let's see. See, we didn't get on our console, which means if the age is 18 or less than 18, or age is greater than equals to 25, then only execute this part of the code. So this is all about the OR operator. Let's comment this out. Now you would want to execute your code depending on the flow. For example, if age is greater than 18, you want print CLG you are an adult. What if the age is 16? Then you would do like this, else CLG you are not an adult. Okay, so if the condition didn't match this one, it will jump right over here. Okay, so let's see. We have age equals 19. So can you guess it? What will be the output? Yeah, you guessed it right. You are an adult. This will be printed on the screen. See? But let's bring this down here because I have to scroll up and down. Now it's perfect. Now if the age becomes, let's say 12, what will happen? You are not an adult. This will be printed, and like this chaining you can do this multiple times. For example, if the age is greater than 18, then you can print you are an adult, or let's say we will go for this one, 60 greater than equals 60, you are a senior citizen. Okay, then we will check if the age is greater than equals 18, I'll copy right from here and remove the not from here. That's it. So if the age surpasses or meets 60, then it will print you are a senior citizen on the screen. If the age meets 18 or more, then it will print you are an adult. Otherwise it will print you are not an adult. Let's see, if we make it 65, it prints you are a senior citizen. By the way, check this out. I forgot to print right here ELSE, else if. Okay, I did it purposefully so that you could have a look at this problem that you might encounter. If you are chaining if and if together, so you have to do like this way: if, else if, else if, else if, the number of else if, and finally with an else at the end. You get it, right? Okay, so in this way we will do this if else chaining. Otherwise, if you don't put the else part here, it will also check this condition, and if it meets this condition, it will directly execute this part. So it kind of becomes unnecessary to put these two in the separate way, because we can chain this up with the AND operator as I have shown you earlier. Okay, so we will keep it like this and see, we will get you are a senior citizen only. Okay, this one value gets executed, nothing gets printed, this part gets omitted, this part gets omitted, despite it's not a comment. If we make it, let's say 25, you are an adult because it meted this condition. And if we make it 10, you are not an adult. See? Okay, the next concept we will learn in the next video. This video got already too long, and I will put that in the second part, this switch case and ternary operator. So see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.